Pressure is one of the most critical parameters when monitoring industrial assets and processes. Pressure monitoring in remote areas with limited access to power supply and wiring possibility is one of the most challenging tasks for industries with a distributed network of assets in remote areas. Ellenex is proudly the first company to offer fully integrated pressure monitoring solutions based on the emerging LPWAN technologies. The device has a ruggedized design for harsh environments, is IP66 or 68 rated, UV resistant, and its low power consumption gives the device a 10-year battery lifespan. Our wireless sensors operate based on NB IoT and LTE Cat M1 technologies, taking advantage of 4G and 5G cellular networks to eliminate the needs of network setup and modem or gateway installation. It is ultra-low power, significantly lowering the SIM and connectivity costs while providing much better signal penetration, and our sensors are integratable to most global cellular networks. The device can be used for many complex applications, such as monitoring pressure in water pipes, pressurized water lines, pneumatic and hydraulic systems, as well as measuring the liquid levels in water tanks and diesel tanks. In the age of the Internet of Things, your old pressure gauges need an upgrade. That's where the PTS2 comes in, allowing you to analyze, alarm, report, and predict events. So wherever you see one of these old guys, remember to take advantage of industrial IoT to minimize incidents and reduce operation costs. Now let's see what's inside the box. We have the sensor, with the option of an external antenna as well as the device activation guide. The standard pressure sensor has a G quarter range male process connection, so it just needs a G quarter range female process connector to screw the sensor into. If the process connection is not G quarter range, you'll need a process adapter. If there is any difficulty with installation, please contact our support team as we offer customized process connections as per request. Here are some general tips when installing the device. First and foremost, always install the sensor on systems which are in an unpressurized state. Before installing the sensor, be sure there is no chance of water hammering on the pipes. If there is a chance, please use a snubber or order one with the sensor. You must ensure that the process connection on the sensor properly mates with your pressure port to prevent leaks, and ensure that the sealing surfaces are clean and free of damage. Never insert any sharp items in the process. It will damage the diaphragm and put the sensor out of operation. Use a proper wrench to tighten the sensor on the connector with the metal hexagonal shaped sensor head and avoid applying force on the sensor body. Make sure to not over tighten, as this can result in incorrect readings, not to mention the possibility of damage to the thread, which can result in leaks. After installing the sensor, open the valve or apply pressure slowly to avoid overpressure on the sensor. Ellenex sensors are IP rated, UV protected, and designed for outdoor application, but it is always better to keep them out of direct sunshine and rain. Be sure the sensor head is compatible with the media it is in contact with. The corrosiveness, viscosity, and conductivity of the measured medium should be compatible with the selected sensor to avoid damage. If you order the device with the on-off switch, you just need to press the button. The blue light flashes, indicating the device is now connected to the network. If you order the device without the on-off switch, you need to open the device cap and insert the jumper, which is in the device box. You'll see a blue flash here too. And be mindful of twisting the wires when screwing the cap back on. For more information about this product, visit www.ellenex.com, and it's really easy to make an order. Just go to www.ellenex.shop.